Scheduling is the process of organizing and assigning shifts to employees, ensuring that roles are filled according to their availability and organizational needs. In MetaCenter V3, the scheduling module empowers HR teams to efficiently create, manage, and monitor employee shifts. To begin scheduling shifts, navigate to the Human Resource module and select Scheduling. This action will open the scheduling window, where shift management takes place. To create an employee schedule, access the calendar within the scheduling panel. Highlight the desired dates directly on the calendar where you wish to assign a schedule. Upon doing so, a window will pop up to facilitate the schedule creation process. In this window, select the relevant shift block that was previously created. Based on the chosen shift block, the system will automatically filter and list employees belonging to the corresponding department. Next, select the employees you want to assign to the shift block. Once the assignments are made, click Schedule to save. The newly scheduled shift block will now appear on the calendar, color-coded in blue to visually differentiate it from other shifts. After scheduling the shift, proceed to publish it. Click on Actions and select Publish Shift Block. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. This step ensures the shift is added to the employee's diaries. Additionally, the shift block's color on the calendar will update to the color assigned during its creation, providing a visual cue for the employees. For a hard copy of the schedule, switch to the week view on the scheduling calendar. Click the print icon located at the top of the calendar. A print dialog box will appear, allowing you to select your printer. From here, you can print a physical copy of the employee schedule, completing the scheduling process seamlessly.